Hi there, welcome back to CodeEdge, your easy place to learn SAP UI5 and Fiori. In today's video, we'll talk about layouts in SAP UI5, basically how you arrange your UI controls on the screen. What are layouts? In SAP UI5, layouts help you arrange elements either vertically, horizontally, and in grid or with flexible alignment. Let's quickly go through the most common layouts you will use. The first one is a VBox, which is a vertical box. So VBox stacks elements vertically, one on top of the other. So in the example, in a form, you want name, then input box, then a submit button below it. So here is the example. Use VBox when you want items stacked in a column, like forms or a list. Second is HBox, which is horizontal box. HBox places elements side by side from left to right. In the example of XML file, you can see. So use HBox when you want buttons or inputs next to each other. The third one is grid. Grid divides the space into rows and columns just like a table. Great for two columns forms or responsive layout. In the XML example, you can see here on large and medium screen, each input takes half width, but on a small screen, it takes full width. Now, the fourth one is FlexBox. So, FlexBox is the most flexible layout, just like CSS FlexBox. You can control direction, spacing, wrapping, and alignment. You can see in the example below XML, perfect when you need advanced alignment like equal spacing between items. The fifth one is panel. A panel is like a group box with a title. It visually groups related content. So below example you can see and use it when you have sections like user info or settings. Now, the last one is page. Page represents a full screen in your app. It comes with a header, footer, and content area. Below XML example, you can see. So, you will use the page for full screens like home, login, or dashboard. Now, do a quick recap. VBox is for stack vertically, HBox is for place side by side, grid for rows and columns, flexbox is flexible alignment, panel for group with header, and page is for full screen with title and content. And that's it. Layouts in SAP UI5 in a nutshell. Practice them, and you will be able to design a clean and responsive UIs in no time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to CodeEdge. Next up, we'll build a full demo using all these layouts together. See you in the next one.